Okay, and I'm beginning to see a color change. We've gone from a puke yellow to a green. Oh, I'm beginning to have a purple. Oh, we're getting to a blue. And it's very easy to overshoot your mark. And what you're looking for is a stabilization. Now, this is exactly how pharmaceutical companies test for the efficacy of drugs to see whether or not they are effective in stopping heartburn, headaches, including bacterial infections. They do titrations, or back titrations for that matter. And so this is a slow process. You cannot just squirt your solutions in. So as you can see, we've gone from a puke yellowish green to a nice pretty turquoise color. And every time I put a drop in there, it begins to turn pink, but it doesn't quite stay. So it's one drop at a time, 2 drops at a time, because all of a sudden you will find it will turn instantly pink. Whoops. We're getting close. Oh, now we're at a bluish color. Or a purplish color. It's getting close. And we know once it stays. And it can be very frustrating, so don't get antsy and just pour it all in there because you will miss. It's almost there. Oh. Amanda's over there. Dr. Alaband is over there recording, and I'm sure she remembers those days of back titrations.
Hi, guys. Yep, I'm just imagining my students from previous semesters, and they'd overshoot this all the time.
The equivalence point is very frustrating. And calculating the number of moles, we're getting close.
Yeah, but the nice thing with this one is you get that gradual color change, whereas the ones I've done went from clear to pink, and so you didn't have this gradual blue to green. This is easier than some of the other indicators.
What do you think? I think we're there. I don't think we're going to get any. All right. So it appears that I used somewhere around 4, give or take. All right. And that's how a titration is done to find your equivalence point. And so you'll repeat the process with your second Alka-Seltzer. And the same process is done for milk of magnesia and Rolaids. And then you'll record the volume that you used for sodium hydroxide. And from there you will calculate the neutralization capacity of each of your antacids, and that will tell you the efficacy of each of the different antacids. And then you'll determine which of the ingredients of each antacid is actually more efficient. And that's what is involved in this particular lab. Thank you.